You are cruising down the highway, your car feels like it is running just fine, but then, that annoying check engine light suddenly glares at you from the dash, leaving you wondering if you are about to be stranded or if it is just a minor glitch. That specific scenario is exactly what usually happens when your car throws a P2276 trouble code, which means your engine computer is seeing a stuck lean signal from the Bank 2 Sensor 3 oxygen sensor. To put that in plain English, Bank 2 is simply the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1, and Sensor 3 is located way downstream, right after your second catalytic converter. Its main job is not to adjust your fuel mixture, but to act as a watchdog monitoring how well that catalytic converter is actually cleaning up your exhaust emissions. When the computer says the signal is stuck lean, it basically means the sensor is detecting way too much raw air in the exhaust stream. And if you look at the live data on a scan tool, the voltage reading has completely flatlined near 0 volts instead of constantly bouncing around like it should. Because this is a downstream emission sensor, you probably will not even feel a difference in how the car drives. But you absolutely cannot just put a piece of black tape over the light and ignore it. Before you rush out to buy a brand new replacement part, grab a really bright flashlight, safely jack up the car, and visually inspect the wiring harness going to that sensor. I have seen so many cases where a wire simply melted against a scorching hot exhaust pipe or snagged on some road debris, completely ruining the electrical connection. You also need to listen closely for any rhythmic ticking sounds that might indicate an exhaust leak right near the sensor bung. A tiny pinhole leak will literally suck in outside oxygen through the Venturi effect and totally trick the sensor into thinking the engine is running terribly lean. If the wiring is absolutely pristine and your exhaust system is completely sealed tight, replacing the sensor with a high-quality original equipment manufacturer part is usually the guaranteed fix. Just remember to closely inspect the tip of the old sensor when you pull it out, because heavy white or black crusty buildup can warn you about internal engine coolant or oil leaks before they leave you stranded.